All right, Miranda, so I'm going to show you how to smooth and straighten with the perfector.
Wait.
You can go section by section if that's easier and clip off, but it's quite simple. I like to go right down to the scalp, but I like to brush it through a couple of times just to get the heat on it and get it smoothing, right? So quick. Then what I like to do is come on top first, pressing down really nice and slow. I like to do the top and then underneath. So I go through once this way. And then the great thing is we can go right to that scalp and give it, I like to give it nice tension. Just come down nice and slow. And basically we can, from the root all the way out, we can get it nice and smooth. I'm just gonna bevel the end lightly. It's gonna go right around there, but we'll talk about how to curl it too.
That looks rude.
What do you think?
Yes, smooth.
Okay, Miranda, you're just cruising through that side.
Well, it's easy because of you.
So we're gonna, when you take the next section, can you just walk them through it?
Sure can.
Cool.
So
this is your top one.
Maria, all I do is take a section of 1 inches. I'm going to take, you gotta give a little tension. Take the top.
Now, you want to brush through it?
Brush through it, yeah.
Just do a quick brush through.
Just to detangle.
Okay.
And I'm going to do the underside.
Nice.
And again, the tension is the key, because then it just smooths out all those curls. Okay.
Wow. You are pro.
No more curls and no more frills.
I'm just going to show you how to put the curl on the end after you already smoothed it. So we're going to come down, and you can use the brush in your hand because it won't burn you to make sure all those ends are in smooth. So I like to kind of roll it at the end and know that my ends are all in there. And then we're going to roll up like 2 times and literally just sit with it there for 10 seconds. And this way it's now giving it some curl. And then we're just going to roll out the way we came in.
That looks great.
Great, you're just feeding those ends in beautifully. You just use your hand to get them in and then just roll up. Great. She got all that in there. And hold that for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then just kind of roll out. All right, so we smoothed it straight. We curled it under. Now, if you want to add more of a wave, what you're going to do is about a 1 inch section, 1 inch by 2 inch maybe. But we're going to go right down the root at the top. I like to hold it here. It just makes it easy. I keep the perfector vertical all the time. And I spin a full circle so the hair's all the way around it. I let it sit for like 5 seconds. And each time I spin, it's like I say curling a ribbon because you really want to give it time. And as you can see, as I pull out, then I have that beautiful wave.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to give that a try?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you want that tail to hang down. Perfect. There you go. And just keep it vertical. I'm going to tweak you a little bit because it'll makes it easier to come down and spin. Just full spin. You got it. You can come on out. And you grab some of the other hair, but that's okay. You still got your wave.
Yeah.